It is time to build a better future, and it is time to be better.
Honestly, I feel like the industry just needs NGE because over the years, it's a proven fact that network marketing works. It's a better way of life. It's been around for so long and it's changed so many people's lives, but what's happened over the years is all these companies have popped up and sprouted up, and their image and their promise is like, hey, you can get rich quick. You get involved, it's a 3 to 5 year plan, you're set for life.
And we tell them, look, there's highs, there's lows, there's ups and downs, but it is 100% worth it. And the model that we have, the leadership we have, the products, the training, the entire package is the best place to go for the average person to make it. Hands down.
Hype? There is no hype.
NGE is going to be around in 10 years because we're not building this business off of hype. We're being honest, truthful, and painting a picture of long-term growth, something that's going to stick around, 4, 10, 15, 20 years.
What I love most about NGE is how it brings together like-minded individuals who are all striving to become more and do more with their lives.
NGE has provided me an outlet to really express myself, be more in touch with what I want to do in life, and to really pursue my passions with 110% confidence. And if I wasn't surrounded by the people I am today, then I don't know what I'd be doing. Next Generation Entrepreneurs is the place to be, and this is life-changing, guys. We're gonna make a movement. We are going to change the world.
What I love best about NGE is that it's real. It shows me that my hard work is going to pave the way for my future and my success. What I put in is what I get, and my success is determined by my actions.